Alright, new project today. We are looking at a Snow King Tecumseh engine. It says it is an HSK70, which is a horizontal shaft Snow King 7 horsepower Tecumseh engine. This engine came off a Simplicity 755E snow thrower. The snow thrower is actually in great shape. The engine actually looks to be in great shape. But check this out. When you go to pull on the cord, there is nothing, no compression whatsoever. Just spinning freely. So we're going to tear into this thing and find out what's going on inside. I suspect the connecting rod is broken, and I know that the aftermarket parts are available for a connecting rod for this particular engine, but I would like to think that maybe the connecting rod bolts just came loose, but that will just be wishful thinking. So we'll touch base with you and show you how it goes.